Hi everybody, application of derivation. Har'a kan ilaallu application derivation. Number 1. An open top surface based rectangular box is to have a volume of 62.5 centimeter cube. What should be the height h to obtain the minimum surface area or AS? Waan akka piriizimii reektaangulaa gubbaan isaa banamaa ta'e tokkotu qabeen isaa hanga 62.5 cm kiubii qaba. Gaafa sarfees eeriyaan isaa baay'ee xiqqaatu yookiin immoo isa xiqqaa ta'e argamu echiin isaa meeqa kan jedhu ta'a jechuudha. First let us draw the box. Let the box look like this one. This is an open box which is square. Gubbaan isaa square dha jechuudha. Kanaaf saayidiin kunii fi saayidiin kun square gaafa ta'u wal qixa jechuudha. This x all are equal. This one height. Volume of this box when it is minimized, which is equal to 62.5 centimeter cube. Gaafa baay'ee xiqqaa ta'u qabeen isaa 62.5 dha jechuudha. So volume which is equal to volume of this rectangular cube x times h which is equal to x square times h. So from volume which is equal to 62.5 x square times h equal to 62.5 centimeter cube. Then h is equal to 62.5 over x square. From surface area formula yookiin immoo surface area barbaaduuf surface area or AS is equal to of this box, this one plus this one, x square plus 4x times h. But in a place of h, h maal bakka buusuun qaba 62.5 irra x square, which is equal to x square plus 4x into, substitute this one, 62.5 divided by x square. Simplify x, 1x, which is equal to x square plus 4 times 62, which is 215 divided by x. Now, to get h, you should have to derive surface area. Gaafa volume minimize ta'u h argachuudhaaf derive gochuu qabna jechuudha. Derivation of area with respect to x, which is equal to, derive this one, derivation of x, which is 2x plus derivation of this one, use quotient rule. 215 derive times x, 215 is constant, which is 0, minus 215 times derivation of x, which is 1. Therefore, this one is minus 215 divided by x square. No, 2x minus 215 divided by x square. Multiply this one. 2x cube minus 215, which is equal to 0. Therefore, x cube, which is equal to 215 divided by 2 x cube, which is equal to 125. X is equal to cube root of 125. X is equal to 5. From the above formula, h which is equal to 62.5 divided by x square asirraa h arganna jechuudha, which is equal to 62.5 divided by 5 square, which is 25. Now h is equal to 2.5 is correct answer. Kanaafuu area h nuti barbaadaa ture 2.5 jechuudha.